such a bad idea. In 3, 2, 1. How's it going, guys? Welcome back to Brick Science. My name is Riley. I am your host. Today we're gonna make a Lego sledgehammer and break some stuff. Make sure you stick to the end so you can watch me break a bunch of stuff with a Lego sledgehammer. It's gonna be pretty cool. All right, so the first thing we gotta do is gather all the bricks. So let's do that. All right, so a few things we're gonna be using. The first thing is a bunch of plates. These are all large plates, so 2 wide. So we got a big thing of those so we can make the handle and make it all not break when we hit stuff with it. Second thing, we got some random bricks, and I have a bunch more bricks over there I'll be bringing out so we can make it look good. So we got these, we got the plates, and then we have some round pieces. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with these. I was thinking of making it out of these round pieces. I'm just not sure if that's gonna work too well. So we're gonna use these, and I suppose we'll just get started. So we got these. Now I'm gonna grab a bunch of bigger plates and lay it on top of this and kind of lock it all together. If you know one thing about me, is that I have a lot of plates. This thing is full of plates. So we're gonna use the light bluish gray plates, lock it all together. All right, now that we got that, we're gonna lock it all together with 1x1 plates. We're gonna put these on the outside layer right here, lock that together, make it real strong. So I'm gonna use yellow for aesthetic and give it a nice retro look. The most important thing when I'm building this is I'm gonna overlap everything so that there'd be no breaking points when I'm swinging this thing. We're gonna be swinging this thing like 200 miles an hour. All right, so this is pretty wimpy, I'm gonna be honest. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna put a layer of long bricks in the middle. That'll really strengthen it up, and then we'll build up the sides and cap it off, and then this will be really strong. That doesn't go in there. So the way I'm doing this is I'm overlapping everything, so even if I have a line of them on this side, I'm gonna overlap where those don't all the way on the other side, like that, and this part is already really strong. It's gonna come up if you do that because it's not capped off yet. Aesthetic, I'll add some black 1x6s in every now and then that'll make it look pretty good still. Question of the day: do you guys find annoying or soothing? Put your answer in the comments below and I will comment back. All right, now we're gonna do a layer of bricks in the middle and then one on each side to really strengthen it up, and then we'll cap it off with some slopes or something. All right, so I just remembered. No, I guess that works. Forget what I was just about to say. It is getting stronger every time. That layer, you can see, added a lot of strength to it, especially that way. So when we swing this, we're gonna swing it sideways like this because it'll have more strength this way. Everything's going this direction. So we're just gonna swing it like this. We should be able to get in some pretty good swings here. Legos are dangerous. he's bending quite a bit inward, and that's good. That means that all these are locked down, pressed tightly. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna finish off the top. Let's look around for pieces. I'm gonna go get some stuff to smash. I'll be right back. All right, guys, we got a few items to smash. Always wear safety goggles if you're doing anything like this. Don't do this at home, but if you're going to, wear safety goggles. All right, we're gonna start with the egg. All right, in 3, such a bad idea. In 3, 2, 1. Well, I have to say I missed the egg by a little. Let's do that again. 3, 2, 1. That was a little more violent. On the plus side, don't do this at home. I don't know why that's plus side. Don't do this at home. All right, now we're gonna do the apple. Want to let you guys know this is a rotten apple. I'm not wasting food. Now I'm gonna hit this as hard as I can. If this breaks, it breaks. Guys, this didn't break. Watch this. Let's destroy a brickhead. 3, 2, 1. He's out of here, dude. All right, this is something I hold very dear. My friend made this for me. And now I'm gonna destroy it, because I hate it. But I love my friend. Man, that was awesome. Still intact, wanna point out? Let's give this another hit here. Oh, so lots of good plates on there. Let's not break this entirely. Let's just see what this does. All right, 3, 2, 1. Thank you guys so much for watching. We're doing challenge videos on Wednesday now, so stay tuned for that. Subscribe, hit that bell icon, and I'll see you on the next Brick Science.